we're gonna go down that hole. We're going for a ride down into a water hole. I think so. That's the idea. We wonder if I can't get back up out of here. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Heck yeah! So cool. This is sick. It doesn't get much cooler than this. Where can you see something cooler? I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's pretty loud. You got the water shooting out of the wall there. Pretty sick though. Like these people, they walked in from the outside, but we can walk out and do it again, so